That was a bit tricky on my own. I've made sure I've got some breeze blocks and some wood supporting Monster before I take the front wheel off, otherwise it will literally like catapult forwards. And I'm just filming this bit to try and make note of where the cables are around the fork. So there's nothing kind of above that one there, but I have got my clutch cable that runs underneath, and also take note of how far up the fork comes in here, so I can see it's only what, 2 mil or something like that sticking up on both sides. I've cleaned up the forks, got off any dirt up here, and I've just given them a quick spray of silver. It's not the best paint job in the world, but it will look better than it did before. So now I'm trying to decide what to do down here. I still need to clean up the front brake caliper. And then this bit here is looking a little bit rusty, so I'm going to clean that WD-40 F650 GS, and then I am actually thinking about spraying that silver as well. Still making my mind up about that, or whether to leave it, because once I start, it's just going to be a bit too difficult, because I'm also not sure whether to spray up these engine cases as well. Food for thought. Okay, so that new paint is drying quite nicely there, and then the forks are looking pretty good as well. So I'm going to leave it there today, and then tomorrow I'm going to pop the forks back on with the new gaiters.